Everyday carry update. Wow, this was on the table. I still carry that in my coat pocket. My jacket, it's an M-Tech. Or this Timberwolf. But my pants pocket, Kershaw, Tonto, of course, Gaze, LG phone, it's a track phone, a high-tech track phone. Occasionally I carry this this Army knife here that I got from my father. Wallet, of course, lighter, extra lighter, smokes, and I got one of those electronic cigarettes too, but that's elsewhere. Let's see. Flashlight. Now this isn't all the time. I kind of change up, you know. Depends upon the weather. Still have that. It's good. There's that now and again too. Now let's see. Firearms. Firearm. Still the same one as before. Glock 30, second generation. But I got this in the mail the other day. Bravo concealment, RTT. It's good, you know. I like it. Thin, light, rides high and tight. The best thing about this, though, that I liked, I can carry my Glock 36 in it also. It's fine. This moves around a little bit, not too much. It's not going anywhere. RTT holster. Bravo concealment. It took 2 months to get here, but it was worth it. Now, winter time. If I fall on my ass, I think I'm just going to go back to that's the wrong one. That's for my 36. What the hell did I do with that? There it is. I'm going to go back to the Serpa 2. This is for a Glock 21, but it still fits for my 30 for winter. In case I fall on my ass and I don't want it banging around or not getting knocked out just by sheer accident. But this little Serpa I bought, I won't be using it anymore, probably not. It works fine for my 36. But since I can carry the 36 in the Bravo concealment, I'll be doing that. Phobos. And here's a single stack for the 36. Also, Mossberg 500. Golden Saber sword. And a Civil War sword. Wait, I'm kidding. I don't carry that. That's not everyday carry. I just brought those out just for fun. Levity. Be nice to carry that Mossberg 500 every day. No, it wouldn't. Well, that's about that. Oh, in the Mossberg I've got 3-inch nitro steel. And let's see. Where'd it go? Standard carry. What do I got here? I forget. I think it's Hornady. Hornady for the 45. 230 grain, or yeah, 230. Pretty standard, I guess. Well, that's just me. Alright then. Basically, you know, God, I hate that freaking word. Daily. Key, knife, this goes everywhere. Flashlight sometimes, just depends on the mood. Coat pocket, coat pocket. Phone, yes, wallet. These are handy. And, you know, it's got a little rust on it though, so I don't like this K-bar. Alright, thanks for watching. That's about that.